So today we're going to look at 5.4F, simplifying expressions. You have done this with whole numbers, you have done this with decimals, and today we're looking at doing it with fractions. So the problem reads, Bart owns a bakery specializing in uniquely decorated cakes. He had an order for a jumbo-sized cake shaped like a race car. The list shows the amounts of 3 different flavors of cake he used to complete the race car cake. 9 2/5 pounds of chocolate cake, 5 3/8 pounds of vanilla cake, 7 pounds of red velvet cake. Bart cut away 2 3/4 pounds of cake to create the shape of the race car. He then added 15 pounds of icing. Then it asks us to write an expression that can be used to determine the weight of the completed cake and explain how the expression represents the problem situation. So we would start with our parentheses because we need to add the first 3 pieces of information. So in parentheses, we would have 9 2/5. We would add that to the 5 3/8. And we would then add the 7. These are all the things that need to be added before we can take away the 2 3/4 that he used to create the shape of the race car. So we're going to take those away first. And then we would add back the 15 pounds of icing to get the total weight. That's a 15 of his expression of his cake. Now, this is simply writing out the expression. You would still solve it using order of operations. So to simplify it, we would have to use what we learned yesterday, find the common denominator before adding, then use that to subtract. And again, you'll probably have to find a common denominator. And then add in your 15. Again, follow the order of operations to do this.